Hello, hello, hello. It's Christine Trainor talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Hope you're having a lovely day or evening or afternoon, wherever you may be, my lovely friends. And as I carry on, continuing my series of tips and strategies of online marketing, as you know, I've been in the online marketing world for about 2 years now. And I would say that as an entrepreneur as well as an online marketer, I have some good ideas and tips and strategies that have helped me along the way and I've learned quite a bit. And today is like no other again. It's all to do with mentor versus sponsor. Which is the difference? Shall we carry on and discuss it, eh? Okay, I'm back. Tell me, do you like my little scenery here? This is basically on the balcony where I live because I'm on the 5th floor here in New West. I thought it'd be kind of nice to talk outside today and enjoy the beautiful sounds of the outside world here. As I speak a little louder, it's a bit of a calmer time in the evening. It's kind of nice to talk in the evening time, shall we say, the early evening before it gets dark here, especially now that it's later on in the summertime, and summertime will soon be over. And I want to really talk about this mentor versus sponsor. Which do you think is important? Which is the difference between the two? Let's discuss this, shall we? And I'll give you some of my thoughts about it and how I figured I think one is better than the other. So let's talk about first sponsor. What do you think a sponsor is? Well, a sponsor, especially if you're signing up to a program or a platform or a company, a sponsor is somebody who signs you into the program. Get you started, get you into your back office, get you, shall we say, into your trainings and talks to you for a while and gives you an idea of what you need to do. Basically assists you for a little while, maybe for a week or two to get your feet wet into the process, right? And that's what a sponsor does. They don't necessarily stay. Some of them do. Some of them could be wonderful people who help you along the way for a little while, and some they may not. It depends. But a sponsor is somebody who just gets your feet wet, gets you into the program, gets you started, helps you along the way. Basically, maybe may guide you to some more trainings and stuff, and that's like that. But that's basically what a sponsor does. When you're working, shall we say, in the online marketing world, you're not going to get a full-on total training with a sponsor, but they'll guide you to where you get training, and then you go from there. You have to figure it out on your own. You're basically led, shown, assisted, and then you go from there on your own. Now, a mentor is, I've shared this before, but I thought I'd talk about the two differences, right? A mentor is someone who's been where you've been before. They've been where you've started. It's a person who has professional life experience and can help mentor someone, develop skills, goals, advises, and is a role model, helping you with personal growth and professional growth. That is what a mentor is. Lead you by the hand with maybe instructions or tutelage, as well as training, step by step, steering you in the right direction where you need to go in your life and your career and what you want to do online. And they share their experiences with you. They show you where they went wrong and how they'd like, or where you may go wrong and how they can help you avoid certain things, because you might have already been in the online world and you've made some mistakes, and now you have invested in a mentor that's going to help you steer you hand by hand, step by step in the right direction. And they're always there to help you. They're a phone call away or a Zoom away whenever you need some help. That is what a mentor is, and I like that about a mentor. Why do I like that about a mentor? Is because I didn't really have that help of a mentor. I mean, a sponsor is good. I'm not saying a sponsor isn't good. They help you. They get the ball rolling, because they're kind of looking for somebody to sign up. So maybe somebody who is going to sign up to the program. So that's more so what basically a sponsor is almost like somebody who's recruiting you. Sponsor is almost like a recruiter. It helps you get into the program, get you started. But then after that, you may not be able to see them very much, because they might be on to the next person to sponsor and to the next person to sponsor. But a mentor is there to help you invest. They're there to invest in your life, into your career, into what you want to do. And that's what I love about a mentor. Now, my experience is, well, I would say when I first started I've been in a few programs. The first one, because I've been in online marketing for 2 years, but the first one I was in, It's basically a royalties program. And I like the sponsor. She was very nice. Oh, it's a helicopter. Sorry, guys, about the noise, but it's a helicopter over us. Noise, the outside world. So I might have to speak a little louder, guys, as the helicopter slowly moves away. A little bit of extra stuff during my video today. I love it, guys. I love it. Anyways, I digress. Let's continue on, eh? Now, my sponsor was lovely. Don't get me wrong. She was wonderful. She took her a while to talk to me because she was recruiting me into the program. She guided me to help me to get my back office set up, and she showed me where to go to my trainings. And she helped me for 2 to 3 weeks, and then after that, she was so busy with her own life, I couldn't always get in touch with her. And so it took me a few months to really understand my new program, because I had a hard time finding somebody to help me, because everybody was rather busy, or if I got some information. I mean, you were able to contact somebody if a problem arose. That's no problem. You just sent a ticket in and you got some information. But I never got the real true help that I needed from my sponsor. She was beautiful, she was wonderful, but she had another work. And she was sponsoring person one after another. So it was hard for me to get in touch with her as much as possible because she was very busy. And I think quite often a sponsor, it gets very busy because they're recruiting somebody else, and they're recruiting somebody else, and they're recruiting somebody else. And they don't always want to get together with all the people they sponsor to talk and have a conversation, right? So that was kind of hard for me. I didn't get the help I needed with that sponsor. So the next I was in direct mail the next time. I did other programs as well, basically teaching programs. But I didn't get all the help I did even with the teaching programs. I didn't get very much sponsorship because they were also saying, here's your information, here's your trainings, go from there. So with my next one, direct mail, and I didn't do as well as I wanted to with that one because I didn't get enough help with the sponsor. Now, don't get me wrong, this sponsor was wonderful. She's a coach and she's a teacher and she's very busy. And I was put into a messenger group, and I was taught through the messenger group, and she was teaching a whole pile of other people. But then she was hard to get hold of because she was very busy woman. Makes good money, this sponsor. She was amazing, but I didn't get the help I really needed. Like, I needed really, really true guidance. I needed true guidance, guys. So fast forward to about 3 months ago, I started another program, and it's Successful Solution Method, led and guided and created by Amanda WRAY, a beautiful 6-figure earner in her own right, and she is a mentor. She mentors all the beautiful people I am members with. I have teammates with Successful Solution Method, and she guides us. She does trainings every single week, and she guides everybody. And I can talk to her whenever I need to. I will speak to her if I have some issues. And what I love about her is she decided to get some people helping everybody else. So she has, shall we say, success coaches. There's about 6 to 7 right now underneath her. So if she can help, she gets other people to help you. But her trainings are amazing because she guides and she teaches step by step. She is a mentor. She is there for everyone. She talks to everyone. She helps everyone. She guides us in the right direction so we can become more successful. Because this program I'm on is a beautiful program because it's a task-based program led by Amanda WRAY, because she's our mentor and our teacher and our coach, because she created this program. And what I love about this program is through tasks I do on a daily basis, I earn as I learn, because this is a task-based, shall we say, training program. It's an amazing program, I tell you guys. I love it. And I wanted to share that with you today because I find that a mentor is much better than a sponsor, because a mentor will be with you for a long time to help you and guide you. A sponsor is good, but they're just there for the short time, and then they want you to go further. It's your choice. But if you need that help, I would invest in a mentor. But if you're with a beautiful program like I'm in, I have the mentor and the teacher and the coach all at one with our creator, Amanda WRAY. So to me, a mentor is more important because you're investing in your future online, especially if you're working online, guys, right? You want to have somebody invest and help you. So to me, a mentor is better. A sponsor is good to help you get your feet wet, get in the door. But a mentor is going to help you in the long run. Help you and guide you, take you step by step, and how you need to become more successful online. That to me is more important. Plus, I wanted to really share about the fact that our team leader, our creator of this beautiful program, Successful Solution Method, is a mentor. And so I'm getting all the help I need. Each one of the members in my community of Successful Solution Method, we're getting mentorship guided and help with trainings by Amanda Rai. And we get them weekly. And that's what you want, right? So I thought I'd put that in because to me, a mentor is more important because you can get become more successful online in the long run with a mentor that's going to stick by you and teach you. So that's why I wanted to share today. So down below in the description is the link to Successful Solution Method. Come join our team. Get mentored by a beautiful person like Amanda Rai. You'll see your success flourishing. It's a wonderful program, Successful Solution Method. A task-based training platform. Amazing help. It'll help you become a leader yourself because she is building leaders. That's what her mentorship is all about too. As well as the Facebook group is down below, and the link is down below as well. So come over, be a part, join the group, learn what it's all about, and then you'll see the beauty of Successful Solution Method too, and our wonderful mentor and teacher and leader, Amanda Rai. As well as you have more questions and you need more information, I'm available to you. Check out my Facebook page link below as well, and I'll be there to help you whatever you need. I'm there to show you what this is all about. That's for sure, because a mentor is better than a sponsor because we're there to help, and I'm here to help as well. I love to mentor as well. So with that being said, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel, as I have many more wonderful tips and strategies of online marketing as well. Just double click the bell for the next notification of the next more videos I have to share as well too, okay? So that being said, have a beautiful, awesome day, my lovely friends. You're entrepreneurs, you rock. And I like to say this: see you on the other side to success. Love you guys. Bye.